Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Did you know you could make $10,000 plus per month with only 30 minutes of work and no upfront investment? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 key secrets: how to find a high-converting affiliate product, the step-by-step strategy I use to drive traffic, and how to automate your affiliate earnings. First, let's talk about finding that perfect affiliate product. You don't need to guess or hope for the best. Websites like ClickBank, ShareASale, and Amazon Associates are gold mines. Look for products with high gravity scores. These are the ones already proven to sell well. Next, let's dive into driving traffic. This is where most people get stuck, but I've got a foolproof strategy. Start by creating valuable content around the product. Think blog posts, YouTube videos, or even social media posts. Use SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to find the right keywords. Then, use platforms like Pinterest and Facebook to share your content. Engage with your audience, answer their questions, and build trust. Now for the automation part. This is the magic sauce that keeps your earnings flowing while you sleep. Tools like MailChimp or GetResponse can automate your email marketing campaigns. Set up a series of emails that deliver value and subtly promote your affiliate product. You can also use social media schedulers like Buffer or Hootsuite to keep your content rolling out consistently. Want proof it works? Meet Sarah. She was struggling in her 9-to-5 job, barely making ends meet. Fast forward 3 months after applying these strategies, and she's now earning over $10K a month, working just 30 minutes a day. And here's the best part. I've got a special bonus for you. Stay till the end, and I'll give you 2 bonuses worth $237 for free. So, what would you do with an extra $10,000 per month? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to sign up for John Crestani's free workshop below and start your journey to making $10K monthly. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on earning passive income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.